What's up guys, hello everyone, welcome to another video on Trading Kernel. In this video we're going to be looking at the Elements Premium Expert Advisor for MT4. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel a lot. Okay, so let's quickly dive in. This expert advisor is available on tradingkernel.com. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description below. It's only available for $25, right? And it's an expert advisor that is that trades on MT4. The currency pairs currently that we've optimized for are Audi USD and Audi JPY, because I'm going to be talking about this in a while. Okay, so trading time 5 minutes to 1 hour. You can use it to scalp the market. Okay, so trading sections, non-volatile trading sections, broker, algorithmic recommended as always for now. And we've been getting some questions about our recommended brokers. For now, we stick to our recommended brokers. This is because brokers' data are very different, right? And their spread values as well as their commissions are different. So we optimized the brokers we currently recommend. The brokers we've optimized for. We've checked their commissions, we've checked their spread values on ECN accounts, we've checked their commissions as well, and also compared their data, right, to see that the data are not quite as as diversified as it would be. Comparing other brokers as well. So for now, these are our recommended brokers. Maybe in the future, sometime in the future, maybe next month, the month after, we're going to expand and have more brokers in here as well. But for now, these are recommended brokers, and we are not taking any sort of commissions for now. Okay, so you just search either barry.org or tickme.org and get these brokers up, right? But if you want to use a different broker, maybe for some reason these brokers does not offer services in your location, all you just need to do when you download the expert advisor or the indicator, whatever you're using, whatever software you're using, you just take a record of the spread value, the commission. You can take a record of the spread value with a spread checker. Okay, so you take records of the spread value on an ECN account, right? Take a record of the commission. Okay, so once you optimize using maybe a two value spread or 3 value spread or whatever you've gotten as your average spread value for an ECN account. Okay, you subtract the total amounts per lot size that you would have paid via commission. Okay, and that's how you get your optimization value. Okay, I'm going to be explaining that in another video. So the fail-safe is recommended for this expert advisor, and the maximum trades, I'm going to be talking about this in the optimization. Okay, so Element Premium Expert Advisor is a great strategy to trade pairs by using the support and resistance strategy. This means that the expert advisor is most profitable during ranging markets when the support and resistance is more likely to be respected. Okay, if you used to use expert advisor as a partial trader or as a full-time trader, you should leave the settings as they are. Okay, and also ensure to use an ECN account as well. We've talked about that to avoid high trading costs. Okay, so we're going to be looking at the input parameters as well. So how exactly can you load this expert advisor? It's very easy. Okay, so I'm just going to set this to we move out to our terminal. I'm going to set these I'm going to expert advisors. I'm going to remove this. Okay, so I'm going to our templates. I'm going to set my templates to normal templates. Okay, I'm going to set it to default mode. Okay, so you can see we're on default mode right now. Okay, so all you just need to do is to tap on your navigator. Once you've installed the file, you copy it directly. You go to your file, go to your open folder, right, go to your MT4, right, go to your expert, and then you copy the file here. Okay, so once you've copied the file here, you go to your navigator over here. Okay, once you do that, you drag the expert advisor to your screen. Okay, now once you've done that, pop-up is going to come up, and these are your input values. Okay, so the first one is for your new cycle. Do you want a new cycle? Do you want to have the option to be able to choose a new cycle? We set that to true. Your initial lot size is 0.01. Please, I recommend that you don't change this initial lot size. Okay, for whatsoever reason, if you're using an account, as long as you're using an account below $10,000, right, you don't change the lot size. This is because the expert advisor takes so many trades, right, and you might actually blow your account account if you raise the lot size for now. Okay, maybe in the future sometimes you're going to optimize for a different lot size. Okay, as well as auto lot size. Please don't change it as well. Okay, don't change the auto lot size, don't touch the auto lot size, don't touch the conditional option. Okay, so the part to close, one, you can leave that as default. Distance 200, that's proper for grids, leave that as default. TP grid 100, you can leave that for default for now. Stop loss 0, do not use. Okay, this is if you don't want to use a stop loss, right, you can just set it to 0. Otherwise, if you want to use a stop loss, you can also set your stop loss as well. Okay, so you can actually change it to what you want. It depends on your trading strategy. Okay, so what's your maximum spread? Now this maximum spread is where your broker comes in. Okay, for our recommended brokers, we have an average spread value of 0.1 to 0.5. okay, so it doesn't cross that value range. Okay, it doesn't cross that value range. So however you want it, you can actually set your spread here. Okay, so this maximum spread helps you to tell the expert advisor that you should trade only when the spread is not above a particular value. We can set this value to 11. Okay, so that's for the spread value. We have the start hour for trading, end hour for trading as well, and buttons as well, right? We have the magic E8, the number if you want to target the trades, and there are other font size as well. Okay, these are for professional experts. You can change the color as much as you want. Okay, so we're going to say okay, right? So we've loaded it to our screen. We have our smiling bot here. This is to show us that the expert advisor is actually working. Okay, you can see everything that's loaded on our screen as it was shown on Trading Kernel, right? So we've got that here. I'm going to quickly load this on a strategy tester so we can see how it works for a dollar account. Okay, so you can see how it works here. So let's quickly look at the buttons. You can see the close button, the close sell, and the close all. Okay, you can see the arrow period current, and you can see the S period current as well. Okay, this is used to target the buy orders, and this is used to target the sell orders. Okay, so let's go to our strategy tester and let's see how this expert advisor works. Okay, so you can see our Element Premium Expert Advisor here. We're going to go with Audi USD. We're going to set this for 15 minutes current. Okay, so let's check the current spread for now. Let's use the current spread here. Okay, so you can see let's take this. Let's start this from 19th. Okay, let's start this from 19th. Let's go to till today, and everything is set. So let us start this out. Okay. Now we're going to start this out. We're going to cancel out of here. Okay, and tap this here. So you can see how it works, right? You can see how it works. It actually shows you the profits. Okay, once it targets its profits, I think we've seen this a lot. We've seen this previously as well. So you can see the profits you are making over here. You can see the profit is showing you the profits, and there's a grid. You can see we have several orders that is being taken at a particular time. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that, because if the market is ranging, all of these targets are going to be hit eventually. Okay, they're going to be closed. It has a break even, it has a take profit as well. Okay, so you can see as the market is ranging, it's coming down and it's going up. We're actually hitting our profit targets. Okay, so that's this for the expert advisor. You can see we just got a buy order here, right, and then we closed in. You can see expert advisor has the ability to close in as a break even as well. Okay, so you can see it's buying on the spread on the S period, and it's selling on the arrow period. Okay, so it has its highs and its lows, which is the support and the resistance. Okay, so I guess that's for that. I'm going to be seeing you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@tradingkernel.com. I'll be more than happy to assist you. Alright guys, I'll be seeing you later. Bye for now.